In this video, I'll be showing you how to generate exam questions using AI. First of all I need to do is to click on my computer-based test. Right on my computer-based test, all I have to do next is to click on my question bank, select my class and my subject. And right on this button, all I need to do is to click on the icon that says Use AI. So I'll be clicking on Use AI. I'll be selecting my class and the subject that I want to generate the questions on, the topic, and the number of questions that I want. All I need to do now is to click on Generate Question. But before we click on Generate Question, there are other setups that I need to do. One is, what kind of question? Is it objective questions, theory questions, or subjective questions? I'll be choosing objective questions. What are the difficult level? Do I want it easy, moderate, or hard? I picked moderate. Do I want image? Yes or no? I'm clicking no. So once I'm done with all this setup and I'm sure that everything that I've inputted here is correct, all I need to do next is to click on Generate Questions. Now, automatically our questions have been generated. Which of the following is a field event in track and field? Which of the following is a field event in track and field? So this is question number 1. This is question number 2. So once I'm sure that these questions are what I want, all I need to do is to click on Select All, or I can select on any question that I want to add to my question bank and click Add Question to Question Bank. Automatically this question will be added to my question bank. So let's try out some theory questions. What if I want to set theory questions? How do I go about it? The same procedure, the same method, the same step. So all I need to do is to click on Use AI, select my class and my subjects and the topic and the number of questions that I want. So on this aspect, all I need to do is click theory. When I'm asked what kind of questions that I want, I'm going to click theory. I'm going to make the question more hard and I'm going to click on Generate Question. So my question has been generated automatically. So all I need to do now is to click on Select All Questions to add these questions to my question bank. Your question has been added successfully. So this is how you generate question using AI on your learning space right on CloudNotte. Do well to subscribe to our channel to stay updated for our latest video. See you in the next video.